Do I look different? Do I look, I don't know, 28 years old? Hey YouTube world, it's me Evelyn. So I just got back from my birthday trip to San Francisco and Big Sur, California, because I had never been there before. And didn't nobody tell me it was gonna be freezing cold, frigid, ice, the whipping winds. All right, I saw people in downtown San Francisco with puff jackets, the marshmallow jackets. Oh my God, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? We were still giving the people easy, breezy, beautiful, you know what I'm saying? So my actual birthday is August 1st, and that morning I was able to celebrate another year Earthside, you feel me? We thank God with a stack of birthday waffles. Because I deserve. You see, YouTube world, waffles are the perfect breakfast food, okay? Fight God, not me. Waffles are also the perfect birthday food, in my opinion. So in this video, I'm gonna combine the two concepts. I might be a Leo, you know what I'm saying? The firstborn child born on the 1st of the month, but I'm not selfish, okay? Sharing is caring. I'm gonna show y'all how to make birthday cake waffles, and I'm gonna sprinkle in a little bit of life advice, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm 28, you know what I'm saying? I'm older, I'm wiser, and we're happy about it. Also, your metabolism don't function the way it used to, all right? So, your first step in this mission, didn't see that car, is to figure out if you're going to make these birthday cake waffles from scratch or if you're going to like use a store-bought confetti funfetti mix. 18-year-old you could do a box mix. Maybe 28-year-olds, you can't really manage that, all right? Your colon don't really function how it used to. You don't be processing sugar the way you used to, all right? You're probably on keto now, paleo, and this your one cheat meal. You're gonna have a headache after this, but it's gonna be worth it, okay? Do you think they'd have maybe like an organic version, maybe like an ancient grain, maybe? I've also found like a form of therapy in making things myself, especially cooking. There's kind of like a mindfulness that goes along with having to focus on one thing at a time, you know, mixing, stirring, chopping. Very calming, it soothes me. So first, you're gonna mix the dry ingredients. Then you're gonna mix the wet ingredients. And then you mix them together. So, you know, in that footage, it was 3 p.m. on a Friday, and I was filming myself, or rather, Gloria, whose hands I was using. I'm filming the making of waffles, okay? I'm living my best stay-at-home mom with no kids life. In case you missed it, I quit my full-time job before Christmas of 2017, and it's wild to think that it's been 7 months since then. And it made me realize that it takes time to learn things, but it also takes time to unlearn things. Amen? 28-year-old me is beginning to understand that if you want to reinvent yourself, and I'm not talking like on the internet, as a person, if you want to reinvent yourself, that's not gonna happen overnight, over months, or even over years. It happens over a lifetime. And so this little gap time that I've been taking has really helped me to be patient with myself and give myself a little bit of grace and mercy. You know what I'm saying? Even though baking is more of an exact science than regular cooking, I do still take some liberties with the measurements. Like I put a lot more vanilla in there. I put a lot more sprinkles. It's my birthday. You feel what I'm saying? I want flavor. Get your waffle iron ready, spray it with some spray oil, you know what I'm saying? Cook them to your desired crispiness. Some people like them like fluffy and kind of gooey. I like mine a little bit of crunch on them. Since I have a summer birthday, I never got to experience the satisfaction of forcing or really allowing the entire class to celebrate my existence on Earth. And I think it's rude to deny a Leo of that experience. but nevertheless, she persisted. A big thing I've learned in my adulthood and some advice I want to give to you, you know what I'm saying, from your 28-year-old internet cousin to you, is to allow people to love you and appreciate you. You know that quote, when people show you who they are, believe them? I see that quoted all the time on Instagram in a negative context, like when people show you how horrible they are, believe them. But I also believe that the same should be applied to positive things. When people show you that they care about you by consistently showing up, by checking up on you. I got friends who their way of loving me is saying, hey, I'm cooking. And I'm like, come in. You know what I'm saying? So whether it's someone complimenting your personality or I don't know, how cute you look, you feel what I'm saying, or making you waffles on your birthday, just allow people to love on you. You know what I'm saying? Happy birthday to me. And then we plate. We got this birthday cake waffle. Shout out to Soul Glow for helping me. I'm really sweaty. Shooting food is hard. Now we finna eat them. Thank you. It's hitting you, that sugar hitting you. This is what happens, children. You get old and one bite of waffle hurts you in your lymph nodes. It's giving me childhood. I never got to celebrate my birthday with everybody else because I had a summer birthday. So this is me celebrating myself. Happy birthday to you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to all my August babies. I usher you in. If you decide to make these birthday cake waffles for yourself or for a loved one, use the hashtag #SmackYourLip so I can see it. All relevant informations, I hope, will be in the video description box, and I will see you on the internet somewhere. Bye.